Good day everyone, especially to our instructor Sir Leo Arcayos, and today we will discuss running peaks. A running peaks is a method of finding a ship's position when bearings or lines of position of an object are taken at different times while the vessel is moving. Since the ship is not stationary between the observations, the earlier line of position must be advanced forward by the course and distance run until the time of the later observation. The intersection of the advanced line and the new line of position gives the running peaks position. Take the first bearing of navigational object, lighthouse, buoy, or landmark. Plot the line position on the chart. Note the course and speed of the ship. Then advance the plot line a loop forward by the distance taken in the time between observations. Take a second bearing of the same object at a later time. Plot the second loop. The intersection of the advanced first loop and the second loop is the running peaks, the ship's estimated position at the time of the second observation. A running peaks is a way of using bearings of the same object of different times, adjusted for the ship's movements to determine its position. That's all. Thank you.